automating your entire business online without being technical. The nature of online work. Everyone that works or has a business online uses a number of online services they may feel comfortable with. In some cases, these are services they grew up with and learned to use over time. In other cases, these are services they were asked to use by a partner, employer, or client. For example, to create, people use Microsoft Office, Google Docs, OpenOffice, and others. To organize, people use Evernote, Google Keep, Trello, OneNote, and others. To broadcast, people use GoToWebinar, Webinar Jam, JoinIn, and Easy Webinar, just to name a few. Saving time is valuable. And so to save time, we all like to have it so that we can get the services to talk to each other, so we don't have to manually recreate all this information over and over again in each service. To do that, the services need to build custom integrations when they launch for the first time. Or they need to go back and add them as new services pop up. It's very time-consuming and expensive to add these integrations as well as keep up with every new one that has a connection or their customers may be using. Fortunately, one website company, Zapier, has taken this on as its mission. It connects two services that do not have direct integrations to them to talk together in ways that people actually use them. Zapier integrations with AI. Zapier calls this way of getting two applications to talk an integration, including AI applications like ChatGPT. They make them available through a process on their site that they call a Zap, integrating AI when possible. These Zaps mean that you, your teammates, or your staff will not have to manually move information from application to application, nor will they have to get a programmer to do an extensive custom integration or create software. Zapier handles all of the conversation between the two web applications on its site. Do you want to start saving time and increasing productivity between applications? Check out the link you see on your screen.